everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am back with Will. You guys know him of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and we are in the 50th and final community, Reflections, right, Will?
That's right, Reflections at Seabrook.
Reflections at Seabrook, and this is their Hernando model, one of two model homes that Providence has available for you to tour when you come to visit Reflections at Seabrook. So thanks for having us, Will.
Yeah, no problem. And actually, Heather, we can build this floor plan for you in Seabrook Village Phase 2 and Crosswinds, and we have quick move-ins of this floor plan, and we can build it for you from the ground up.
All right, guys, you heard it here. So you're going to come to Reflections if you are interested in either the Hernando model in Reflections or Seabrook, and of course they can build it for you in Crosswinds, which is on the southern end of Nocatee. So tell us about this floor plan.
Yeah, Heather, this is one of our top selling floor plans. We've been selling it for a few years now. What people love about this floor plan is that it's a two-story, but it has the primary bedroom downstairs. So if you didn't want to climb the stairs every single day, you can just stay down here in your bedroom. The laundry room's down here. It's got a great kitchen, so you could enjoy all the benefits of a two-story, but just be downstairs for the most part.
I like that you mentioned that because so many empty nesters and retirees are also moving to Nocatee. So this would allow you guys to buy a home where you're basically your living space. You guys will be on the first floor, but when you have those family and friends visiting from out of town, they will stay upstairs, and they're actually not in your space, and you're giving them their private space if you're in that life stage.
That's right, Heather. I hear all the time from people that they want to have their family or their guests come in, and they have that entire upstairs to make their own when they're in town.
And notice Carling is showing outside. So these are different things that Providence Homes can suggest for you. Of course, they can do for you, but also just ideas. I love this about model homes, is giving the different buyer ideas, because you can, of course, do this after you close on your home, especially if you're buying a quick move-in, so you see your empty space in the backyard. This is just showing you can do a screened-in porch, you can do a pergola, you can even do a pool, actually.
That's right. On a big enough home site like this one, you can definitely do a pool.
And you guys have lots still available where they can build this from the ground up, or again, quick move-ins, correct?
That's right, Heather. We have quick move-ins, and we can build this home for you in all three of our Nocatee neighborhoods that we're selling in right now.
Love the powder room. So a half bath on the first floor. So again, if you have friends visiting, or just for dinner, I should say, they're not using the primary bedroom, of course, your full bath that we're about to see. They have their own half bath. I love your designer. Whoever did this particular home, tell them they knocked it out of the park. I love the warm colors. I love the flooring too. Is this the LVP that
That's right, yes. It's an LVP flooring. It's really popular right now. We're selling a lot of this flooring, and it's really durable, so if you have dogs, it's great for that.
Absolutely, so very durable. So this is what they're putting in many quick move-ins. And another thing, as we go through this particular home, Providence Homes, when they build a quick move-in, they're doing a lot of upgrades.
We do a ton of upgrades, Heather. It makes the house show really well, it gets people excited, and it just helps us sell the house, and people love walking into their home and just seeing all the different upgrades that come with the house.
So it's nice because you're not just buying with a quick move-in, I'll call it standard features, a standard home. So with Providence Homes by Bill Seller, what they're doing is they're going ahead and putting so many upgrades that you would choose had you built it from the ground up, and you'll see that. And I want to remind you that the quick move-in page can be found going to nocatee.com, and you can do one of two things. You can either type in quick move-in and it will take you there, or you can click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down to, for example, Reflections, see all the floor plans that Providence Homes is offering in Reflections, but then scroll down the entire page and you'll see a quick move-in link, because Providence Homes does such a good job in offering so many quick move-ins to compete against that resale market.
That's right.
Which is huge, but these are homes that nobody's lived in.
Brand new homes with the warranties. We do special financing incentives.
Okay, I like that you said that. So lots of incentives. So if you call Will and the great team of Providence Homes here, again, their models are in Reflections at Seabrook is where we are now. And if you call them, then they will tell you what incentives and help with financing that they can provide, which again is a huge benefit to buying a new construction home. So now we're going into the kitchen. Carling, this is beautiful. Just showing the space between the island and the gas, of course. This is a gas community.
It's so nice, Heather, when the gas is just already done. You don't have to do a propane tank. It's just hooked up, under the streets, and then it can go right to your house.
Very nice. And the cabinets to the ceiling.
This is our gourmet kitchen package with the cooktop versus the slide-in range. You get the extra cabinets below. You also get the oven tower over here. Trash pull out. It's a great package of items for the kitchen.
And then Carling's going into, of course, my favorite room, the laundry room. That's pretty sad that it's my favorite room, but I really like doing laundry. But great, again, laundry room's on the first floor.
That's right.
So to just reiterate, please don't count out this house if you are an empty nester or retiree, because you can live on the first floor. So if you're saying, I wanted a one-story house, guess what, guys? You're basically getting it with this Hernando floor plan, but you have to remember your friends and your guests will stay upstairs. So great, great floor plan. Also, lots of windows, natural light I've noticed coming in. Lots of storage too with this floor plan. We're not going to open the door, but of course the big storage under the stairs.
And then we forgot to even mention earlier, but Carling's kind of showing it right now, the wow factor of a kind of like a two-story foyer, I call it, when you walk in. It's a real showstopper. People get excited when they see this. It's one of our few floor plans that has something like this. So it's a big appeal to this floor plan.
Well, and all of your doors, I've noticed your entryways, everything is very tall. So it's also, you're not feeling crowded or crammed in this floor plan. Absolutely beautiful. So something that we mentioned, reflections at Seabrook. Why buy here? Why reflections? Well, guess what, guys? In just a few short months, which, by the way, will be spring of 2025, you will be able to golf cart, ride your bike, or walk to the amenity center on the new multi-purpose path that is currently being put in here at the corner of Reflections. So Reflections will technically be the third closest single-family community to the amenity complex. And to remind you, what's at the amenity complex? Well, that's where your farmers market's held, your food truck Fridays, your splash and spray water parks, your pickleball courts. So guys, when you move to Nocatee, it's all about fitness trails, it's all about golf carting, and you're gonna be able to do that from Reflections. So when you're driving here, yes, it's 5 miles in a car to the amenity complex, but it'll be a hop, skip, and a jump once that multi-purpose path opens up. So huge benefit.
That's amazing, Heather.
And then also you guys have what? A great little playground here.
That's right.
Sun shelves.
Playground in the neighborhood. It's right across the street from this model home. I'm already seeing kids and families playing as we speak out there.
So you've had people close on a house already.
That's right, we did. We had our first customers in December.
That's a huge deal. So people are already moving into Reflections because again, it's the 50th and final neighborhood. So sunshade structures over the play sets. That's going to be an HOA park. But Will, isn't there a pool nearby?
There is in Seabrook Village. It's right down the street. You've got a huge pool, lap lanes, I believe, and you've got 2 dog parks, playground, a pavilion, green space.
It's it's really, to me, one of the most beautiful spaces. We call it a satellite pool, community pool, but it's for any Nocatee resident. But when you live in Reflections at Seabrook, or really the Seabrook collection of homes, which includes Seabrook Village, Coral Ridge, and Palm Crest, your homes are the closest to that beautiful brand new park, Seabrook Park. So Carling is showing this great loft space. I like again how you had it set up. This is, if you need a space, what? You want your own guy space. If you have kids, by the way, you've had 3 bedrooms up here. We were talking the whole time, but Carling showed the 3 bedrooms, the full bath, double sinks. So this is a great space, again, if you have a family. Very excited for everyone to call Will today. This Hernando model is really one of my favorites of Providence homes. So thanks for watching. Come call Will today.
Bye now.
Bye.